Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the most magical fort in the world. Okay, as far as I know, just Orlando. But we got an awesome site. Thanks to a cast member, Peter, from, I think it was Connecticut. We wanted to stay in a full hookup because it's our anniversary week. But they didn't have any sites I was looking for. I wanted to be on the outer loop, I wanted the back ones, I wanted to be on the water. None were available, and the ones that we could wait for were on the inside. And this is our longest trip yet with Molly. 5 nights. He said because we can't get what we're looking for, or close to what we're looking for, and it's our anniversary, they made a little bit of magic. Sprinkled a little bit of that pixie dust on it, and made something great happen by giving us a premier site, and that is site, let's see if I can get this in here. Now I'm all over the place. Where am I? There I am. 606. Been watching this one for a long time. A little more expensive for these sites because of the big old concrete for a park on, plenty of room, do everything. I'm just so psyched about getting this site. I've been wanting something on the water, and finally I get something on the water. So stoked about this. Man, it's awesome. Disney knows how to do it. Not every time do you get exactly what you want or where you want. Not always perfect. This is what's right out back. And if I step out a little further over there, I think that's over there. Yeah, over there is where they have the movie outside, the campfire with Chip and Dale. Spectacular. I could not have asked for a better place to be for 5 nights. For me and for my wife to be here on this particular site. I'm astonished. We just pulled up, we just backed in, just got the campsite, got the old must-have, golf cart, drive around town. It's hot as Hades, but I'd rather be hot here than be hot anywhere that I've been else. It's just awesome. I can't wait. Well, I guess I get to do the fun part now and set this bad boy up. Florida in July. Yeah, we picked a good month to get married, so no matter where we go, it's hot. But it was still the greatest day. It's all set up. I built that little number, not really complete yet, but built that little number over the weekend, well, over Thursday and Friday before we came here. Kind of a last minute idea. Bought a few things here and there, got it started, and then kind of, put it back there. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. But everything's set up, the awning out, got my cooking area. Good old Molly, AC's cranking, having a hard time cooling it down. It was so hot when I started, but she's getting there. It's much nicer in there than it is out here. But they got the chairs out, got the queen chilling because she worked so hard outside. Okay, she set up the inside where the air was at. Back there, got my little pop-up, picked one up at Harbor Freight for $69. Not a bad gimmick. It's a 10 by 10. And then I got a little table that I put my Blackstone griddle on. That is pretty awesome. This will be the 3rd time using it, and I love it. I got the little Mickey lights up there too. This thing right here could cook up some bacon and some eggs. And then of course you got Mr. Fan down there. Circulate some of that beautiful air. So that's kind of the setup. Let's go in. Dark time. There it is. Found the light. Got the TV hooked up. Forgot the remote at home. You believe you forget the remote? Kind of defeating the purpose of having the TV. Not that it's used a lot, but it is used. We watch what's called her favorite channel, which basically just keeps cycling through what's going on at the parks, at the campgrounds, closing times, opening times. Up in the front also here, that's my cooler with some, where were you? There we are, with some essential oils and stuff in there. And we got Magic Kingdom up there. And it's not going to focus in. A little action up there. We're going to run by this AC, it's going to get a little loud. And you can see the microwave. Exciting stuff. Exciting stuff right here. And this where it's a little bit darker in the back here. But we'll see what we can see. Oh, good. Light's working good. Let's see some of the love back there. Love. Let's get this out here. Good stuff. That's where the unmentionable stuff happens. That's pretty much it. Refrigerator action, table, doing some editing. My buddy, Chris, Furious D, is the superstar. I just do the editing. Show up every once in a while. Have fun. It's good times. Into Pokemon at all? Cards? Good channel to check out. The best channel to check out. We got the microwave. We got the range. Don't have the oven. Because I don't need it. We got a grill. And look, that's one of my favorite pictures here. Let's see if we can, all the craziness lights going on there. Yeah, that's good stuff. And we just got these from Downtown Disney. I'm an Ohio boy. Well, that's where I was born. But I was only there for a little bit of time. I'm in Florida most of my life. 90% of it, maybe even 95. My queen, out right there, Michigan, right outside Detroit. But that's kind of my setup. Let's check out my light again because I'm almost happy with myself. It's not perfect. Just needs a little bit of love, and I need to fill in that jug down there with something else besides dirt. But it's Disney dirt, so that's pretty good stuff.